welcome to Taste of the Town. I'm Carissa Clark. I'm here at Mia's Italian Kitchen on International Drive. It is a fabulous, fabulous place to dine, and I'm very excited to share all that I have to share. I'd like to introduce you to Miss Suzanne Clares. Hi, thank you for having me.
Thank you so much.
You are so welcome. I love coming here. It is so beautiful and the food is so delicious. And I know that you are known for brunch.
Yes.
They are known for brunch. They have brunch every weekend from what time?
11 a.m. to 3 p.m.
From 11 to 3, and you do not want to miss this. But we also want to inspire you at home to make one of their delicious Benedicts, right? They have
Absolutely.
a meatball Benedict. You heard me right, meatball Benedict. So kindly walk me through and
course.
show me. Yes.
It sounds funky, but it's delicious.
Okay.
So we take, it's fairly standard. You take an English muffin as a
Okay.
base. You can toast it, grill it, broil it, whatever you'd like.
Okay.
And then you're gonna take a slice of meatball. Your meatballs might not be as large as ours, so you can use a couple. You can ground them up and form them into a patty, but our giant meatball slices beautifully. So we put that meatball right on top, and then we're gonna put on top of that our signature marinara sauce, made in-house. Drizzle that over.
Now I know that you're also kind of famous for your meatball. Your meatballs are how many ounces? Like
18 ounces, yes.
Yes, and they do use their meatballs a few times. So you could always do a large meatball like that perhaps, and they have sliced theirs. So if you're going to be serving maybe a few individuals like they do here, be a great
Absolutely.
thing, right?
Absolutely.
Yes.
So once you get that beautiful marinara sauce on top, you're gonna then take your poached egg, or if you like a scrambled egg,
Okay.
not everybody likes poached. We have guests that will request a scrambled egg instead.
Okay.
Also blends well with the marinara sauce.
Okay.
And then you're gonna take your hollandaise. Again, hollandaise can be a tricky sauce to make at home, so there are some really great store-bought brands. But if you'd like to make your own hollandaise, we of course suggest that as an option. So you get a beautiful drizzle there.
Wow.
Your hollandaise sauce can't be hot. It's
Oh
gotta
my
be
God.
room temperature or it breaks.
Oh,
So absolutely make sure
Okay.
don't cook your hollandaise. You're gonna emulsify it and make sure it blends and doesn't break.
I did not know that. Okay,
So
good to
beautiful
know.
creamy hollandaise sauce, got a little bit of a tang to it. And then of course some fresh basil. Always use fresh herbs if you can. Makes it very, very nice, gives it a nice little pop
And that's
of flavor.
also one very important bit of information is that Mia's Italian Kitchen is a kitchen. Everything is scratch. Everything is fresh. So everything here is made fresh every day.
It's really amazing to see the production of it. We do these brunches every weekend, bottomless brunch. So we have a menu that our guests can come in, and it truly is bottomless. The entire menu is available, all food. It's $34.25 per person. So you can eat however many
awesome.
meatballs that you want.
Oh my
Our
goodness.
giant meatballs on the menu. Our meatball Benedict is on the menu. So,
Okay.
but we also have other really great brunch options.
Yes.
We've got a beautifully delicious banana French toast that I have to stop myself from eating every weekend.
Wow.
We've got apple ricotta donuts, which are also to die for.
Wow.
We've also got an avocado toast. We have a breakfast bruschetta, which is kind of like you think of a bruschetta with tomatoes.
Yes.
We use like a lemon mascarpone and some fresh berries. It's very, very nice.
Sounds incredible.
But everything is built to order. So it's amazing to watch the kitchen, creating these beautiful dishes to order every weekend.
wow, that's a really big deal. That's a really, really big deal. That's
Yeah.
so beautiful. So in order to come in for the brunch as well, is it best to make a reservation?
Absolutely. It is such a great value. $34.25 per person is a steal.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So we do get booked up. We also offer, if you'd like to do bottomless mimosas, sparklers, and Bloody Marys, you can add that on for $24 per person.
Wow.
So
Okay.
the value is there.
Yes.
So we certainly recommend, especially, a lot of people come with larger groups. So we recommend that you really make a reservation. That way we can make sure we have a nice table for you and you don't have to wait.
Of
Because
course.
sometimes, again, it's bottomless. So we don't
Yes.
push you out. We don't have an hour and a half time limit for our food. You can come in and sit with your family, and however much you can manja, they're gonna let you do it. It's great.
Oh my gosh, that sounds really, really wonderful. And if anybody were to ever have a larger group, is it like 15 or more, say for brunch? Because I've heard, I have not been to brunch, but I absolutely want to go. This makes me want to go. I hear it is sensational. I hear it is so much fun. I think the combination between the entire vibe of this restaurant, it's so beautiful. The food is so fresh. And then to be able to come here with people that you love, celebrations with families and friends, that's what it's all about. And
Absolutely.
I know that you're family oriented, and I know that you're friends oriented, because sometimes, we do make our friends our family.
Correct.
So if you do have a reservation of 15 or more, it's recommended sometimes to also just really communicate that to you.
Absolutely. So
Right.
give us a call. We're going to have our catering sales director reach out and kind of give you some options. We do a lot of, bridal showers and christenings and all those little gatherings, not just birthdays, anniversaries, but certainly those milestones. People come here to celebrate, and we have different options as far as space. We have an outdoor patio that's beautiful. We have a back dining room.
pulls off. Okay.
We've got different areas that we have high-powered fans outside, so it keeps you nice and cool.
That's a big deal.
But we have different options to accommodate larger groups. So
Okay.
certainly give us a call, reach out to us, let us accommodate your group. Let's make it special for you. We love having large parties, and we love making memories with our guests, because
I
our
love
guests are
that.
our family as well.
Oh, I love that. I think that is completely worthwhile and totally appropriate. And I am also very excited to have a bite of this. I'm a huge fan of a Benedict. I don't know about you, but I know that I am. So let me grab a little taste here. Okay, I've never had Meatball Benedict. That is very good. That is very good.
You wouldn't expect it.
No, and it's wonderful. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Of course.
I love it. I love it. Please go to the website for more information. I do invite you to come here to Mia's Italian Kitchen for your taste of the town. Until then, I'll see you around town.